Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the love and the support. So, my beautiful people, today I will quick want to share with you. Hey, wonders they normally say shall never end. See, this Simon Ekpa matter, CNN don't carry am. Media houses don't carry am. Everybody all over the world have carried it. People are not talking about Simon Ekpa. Some are being negative, while some are being positive. Some still telling you that they still believe and stand with Simon Ekpa no matter what. So I want you to listen to every details what people are thinking concerning Simon Ekpa. Una know say everybody not go feel like you. That is one thing you need to put at every given opportunity, that you must not be loved by everybody. Some go they go love you, some go they not go love you. That is nature for you. So I want to follow up, listening to each of the details, each of their point, and I'll be right back.
Hi, so I had a question and answer section with someone. He didn't want me to post it because it ended in a way that made him look foolish. Now the thing is this. He was telling me Simon Ekpa is killing people, this and that. And he said, and you support Simon Ekpa? I said, yes, I support Simon Ekpa. He said, it means you support the killings. I said, yes, I do. He was like, no, like, is it even real? You're accepting that you're supporting violence. I said, yes, I support violence. He's like, but why? You look like a good person. Why do you support violence? And I said this, I don't support violence. But when people come to you with violence and you have no other option but to defend yourself with violence, what do? He said, you defend yourself with however means possible, as long as it is self-defense. But he doesn't like the way people are dying. I'm like, okay, who exactly is dying in the southeast? Who is dying? And he said, you people are killing police, killing army. That is not right. At least even if you want to kill the Fulani terrorists, even those ones in the... Spare your brothers. I'm like, wow. Spare your brothers that are in the army. Okay, wait. Now, your own brother joins your enemy to come to you with the intention to, and killing is the only option you have to survive. What will you do? And he was quiet. I said, those military and those police that you hear, that one Igbo police, one Igbo military, Biafra Liberation Army, and we are celebrating it. We are celebrating it because these are our brothers who, for foolishness or for gain or for whatever, joined our enemies to come. You don't expect us to spare them. Oh, you're our brother. Oh, yeah, shoot me. Because tomorrow, if you succeed in killing my beautiful wife, you will kill my daughter, right? So in order to stop that, one person has to go for my entire family to survive. And it's not my fault that you are dying. It is you who brought terrorism upon yourself. It is you who brought violence upon yourself. It is you who brought death upon yourself. Your blood will be on your own hands. Yes. As an Igbo man, as a Biafran, you join Igbo Bago, you join Nigerian military, you join Nigerian police. You allow yourself to be used by this same government, that these same people that we have suffered in their hand. You are a Biafran, and you join them. Then you come to Biafra, carrying the tag of Nigeria, carrying their arms, the license, and you come. And then some fools are saying, spare them because they are your brother. You, in your family, don't you fight with your brother? You fight with your brother. When it's wrong, you treat his fuck up. This is a matter of life and death. It is either this Nigerian military and police go or we die. It is either our Biafra Liberation Army aggressively defend us against them, or let them put on a mission of annihilation. How will my own brother, don't you think about the terrorists who were pardoned and reintegrated into the military, and then you mix them with our brothers who are stupid and send them to our region? We know who they are. We know what all they do is kill. Because we have people, I'm a civilian, we have people who come out and defend us. The Biafra Liberation and the Biafra Defense Force, they are everywhere. They defend us. And then you say we shouldn't support them. And they are loyal to Mazi Simon Ekpa. You say we shouldn't support him. He funds them, yes. What you people, Biafrans, Ndibo, like think. These same people who bombed civilians in the north, people who were doing their ceremony, they bombed them from the sky. In Plateau State, there was a protest by civilians accusing the Nigerian military. In Benue, they've been several, countless number of times. Everywhere in Nigeria, you have witnessed it. Keep lying to yourselves. Keep lying to yourselves. And then, these same people who are... But you, as a Biafran that is in Nigerian military, let me ask you, do you feel safe standing side by side with an ex-Boko Haram, with an ex-Fulani terrorist, with an ex-bandit? Do you feel safe standing side by side? onye gbukuru onye oji bịa ọgụ ga-adị ka nsị. Maka gbuo dike, egbukwanụ dike ụbọchị ọgụ. Just continue supporting falsehood, continue supporting violence, and telling us that our self-defense is now the violence. Now, the Biafra Defense Forces are defending us, protecting us, and repelling terrorists. Well, you say that their act of protecting the civilians from terrorists is now the act of terrorism. Let's assume Simon Ekpa is taken out of the way, which is impossible. Let's assume the Biafra Defense Forces lay down this same military that is scared, this same military that couldn't protect the northerners, this same military that we know their activities. Are they the ones that will come and protect us in Biafra? Are they the ones that will protect us from Fulani terrorists? Do you know the number of Fulani terrorists? Like, people wake up. Everything is not fun. Everything is not about likes and comments. Everything is not about exuberance. You follow people. Just follow trend. Follow trend. You forget about the truth. You forget about matters that count. I dey look on a less, so I look down on you. As a Biafran, you are against Simon Ekpa. I look down on you. I look you less. Y'all will find out. You go find. Just don't. It's just that Simon Ekpa is a very merciful somebody. If not, I can see happen go in that. Come here, on course. Let them suck you small. Let them dry you small. Let them deal with you small. Let you experience what people in Borno, Adamawa, Nasarawa, even Abuja, let you experience what they are going through small. You will run on your knees and beg Simon Ekpa.
I know. Yes, that is our work. That is my work. I have to be fighting because we are fighting for freedom. We need independence. We want to have our nation so that there will be peace in Nigeria, because Nigeria can never come together. No amount of billion or trillion the whole world will give Nigeria to come together. They will never come together again. It is impossible. Good evening to every one of you. Happy Sunday. You know me. I'm back again. I greet you all wherever you are watching me right now. I just come again to let my question, what made me to come here now, right now, is that my question to ICC, United Nations and America, more especially ICC, because I don't know what ICC is doing. This ICC, is it for the whole world or only for West? What is happening? You ICC. Is there any personal people who take over ICC that makes you are not doing your work? Are you corrupt? Can you answer this question? ICC, are you corrupt? Are you taking bribe for you not to do your job properly? What is wrong with you, ICC? Like the dictator, the leadership of Africa to commit genocide all the time, and you still keep quiet. Why? But other African countries, you quick talking about Israel, Ukraine, and other countries, and they are regulating Africa. Why I ask you this question? You are not doing anything in Nigerian genocide. Every day, genocide is being committed in Nigeria by politicians, the leader of Nigerians, but you are not doing anything. Why? I'm giving you 2 weeks, you ICC. I give you 2 weeks to make a move. Enough is enough. Make a move. If somebody will call you people in order, because you people are just sitting and drinking coffee. You are sitting drinking coffee when there's no need to drink coffee, when there's no time to drink coffee. You are drinking coffee in the head of Africa. That coffee you are drinking is belong to Africa. You can't be drinking coffee while people who produce coffee are dying. I'm giving you 2 weeks, ICC, to make a move. Go and arrest President Tinubu for committing genocide in the southeast of Nigeria, middle belt of Nigeria, and the northern Nigeria. Arrest MC Oluomo for because of election. And after election, he continued. I want you to arrest Oba of Lagos, who give them power and order to begin immediately. I want you to arrest Governor Sanwo-Olu, the black charcoal. I want you to arrest Hope Uzodinma for supporting the Southeast. RDP houses is everywhere in the middle belt. And we are there sitting, enjoy. But anything that happens in any part of West, you rush. You will rush. You are the first person to rush to go and judge and condemn. But Africa is some of you, some of these ICC officials, some of them are blacks. Even some of them is like they come from Nigeria and they know the truth. Human Rights International have, Amnesty International have told you the type of genocide being committed in Nigeria. But you are quiet. Why? Make a move to go and arrest Remi Tinubu, the wife of Tinubu. Eh? These are the people who committing all this atrocity and the genocide in Nigeria. Nigeria is finished. Eh? Arrest Erufai. Arrest Erufai. Why are you keeping quiet? For these people to continue coming. Do you know how many people who are dying? The youth of Nigerians have changed, turned out to be another thing. The youth of Nigeria now are even.
So my beautiful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share and subscribe. I still remain your one and only Progress the Analyst, as I always bring you all the update back to back. Thank you so much and bye bye.